Hi YouTube, TechMaster here. I found a neat little trick that I wanted to show you guys. It sets your system configuration panel, otherwise known as msconfig, to the taskbar so you can instantly, just one click, you can have it right there. So to get it up and running, let's hit Windows R, type in msconfig, open it, and down here you'll see it open. So right click and pin to the taskbar. You'll have your boot into safe mode option, your programs that automatically start up, you can enable or disable them when Windows starts up, services, details, you can see what's running in the background, your performance panel, memory, CPU and disk, Wi-Fi and all that other stuff, processes, all at one click. I thought that was so quick, so let's kill everything, go down to where we saved it and click, and there it is. No more run and msconfig to get there. You can also do that with your control panel. So let's get your control panel up and running, and you'll see it here. Right click, pin, close. Now we can get your control panel with one click. There it is. That's your control panel. You can switch to this category if you like, or if you like the category list, you can switch it back. Alright, that's it for this video. I thought that was pretty neat. See you guys in the next round.